Yeah, and I went right off of that number two right next to it too, and I don't need to get better at is maintaining parents and those children who are struggling. And it seems like it's been reiterated through the book and in this book too. So it seems like every time I read it, that keeps sticking out. So I think that's kind of all getting better with parents. So I reached out, just kind of doing text messages, like sending just thoughtful things about kids. Normally, well, praise, and it was kind of kids never heard that from dad, so show that text message, I think was that. I mean, it didn't really make me have alcohol in it. I really see that kind of
Uh, Going connecting back to what we previously talked about how do we address a tough conversation. I just reread a bunch of markings that I put down on page 43 about arming yourself with tough conversation, and that kind of follows the listen to students and trying to be fixers too. But uh, it, I, I know we're all going to be faced with some of these conversations, these tough conversations, and I don't know. Going back to like what Missy and Abby talked about, like how do you say things so that it doesn't look like you're just kind of relooping the blame game, and it's tough. But this is a good chapter where he addresses that. I just have my notes all over the place here.
I kind of what I talked about right away in the beginning, and then having those conversations with Missy and having well people who are going to see it in the meetings. I think it truly helps me think about how I would say things differently. So I appreciate you guys sharing all this because it also for me so far is being able to hear out our conversations, and having that patience. I think Abby is a true testament to something that you have as a quality and something that I really being able to have that patience and understanding the process of getting and being able to navigate the right reasons for that. I think really helps. That's been truly helpful. Thank you. Yeah, my mom used to say when you I don't know, I think all this experience is constantly different and things may be great or scared to have some of those tough conversations with parents or whoever. That is that is a point where you're comfortable having that conversation. Like when it's or parents like just the fact that acknowledging it or engaging in conversation and kind of like, yeah, I see this different or kind of like it didn't happen a lot. I feel like when I first thought that sometimes I could use again like, oh, here we are. Not being much, but I just think over time experience and maybe in the future, not always having tough conversations, but more you have needs, the more comfortable you get with it. And I don't know. That's my two cents, I guess. Was
What
it in or was it in a happy leadership or intentions, like having a positive conversation or having positive conversations rather than weapons? Yeah.
um
And I think maybe in a later chapter you're going to talk about like a hard conversation, someone being like the gateway to a future relationship.
um for me, hearing some of these uh negative comments kind of surface all the time in our school, and then the phrase here on page 48 that says like a lot of our school cultures have these can't do cultures, and then it follows it up by saying that if adults buy into the mindsets that kids can't, then we can't really complain when they won't. But we do all the time. I mean, I hear it all the time. It's like, well, because of their family background or because of this, because of that, they can't do this. It's not possible. But then complain later when kids don't actually do the work as well. And it's kind of like you can't have it both ways. It's one or the other.